Welcome to Stock Updates, your shortcut to stock market success. Uncover market insights, expert tips, and financial strategies in a community dedicated to your wealth journey. Introducing the colossal Indian Railways, the largest rail network in Asia and the second largest globally managed by a single government. With over 7,421 cargo trains transporting a staggering 3 million tons of freight daily, the railway system plays a pivotal role in the nation's connectivity. Union Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw unveils an ambitious plan to invest 1 lakh rupees crore in procuring new trains over the next few years, addressing the surge in passenger travel demand. Having already allocated over 70% of the 2.4 lakh rupees crore capital budget for FY24, the focus is on replacing aging rolling stock with 7,000 to 8,000 new train sets. Tenders for this substantial investment will be issued in the next 4 to 5 years, totaling around 1 lakh rupees crore and spanning 15 years. To accommodate the growing economy, a projected 12 lakh rupees crore investment in Indian Railways is deemed necessary by 2030. Presently, the railway operates 10,754 daily trips, carrying approximately 700 crore passengers annually, with plans to add 3,000 more train trips to eliminate waiting lists. Curious about the stocks set to benefit from this massive investment? Here are some key players. Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited. Market cap, 123,745 rupees and 68 paise crores. Notable returns, 188% in 6 months, 195% in a year. Recent achievements, total disbursed amount for free 2022-2023, 32,392.63 crore rupees, used for rolling stock and railway projects. TITAGARH Rail System Limited. Market cap, 14,336 crore rupees. Notable returns, 127.26% in 6 months, 127.26% in a year. Fundraising, raised 700 crore rupees through KEEP, allocating 7,502,679 equity shares at 933 rupees per share. TEXRAIL Rail and Engineering Limited. Market cap, 6,746 crore rupees. Notable returns, 165.81% in 6 months, 221.79% in a year. Recent order, received an order worth approximately 1,374.41 crore rupees for the production and supply of 3,400 BOX-NS wagons. IRCON International Limited. Market cap, 16,167 crore rupees. Notable returns, 107.22% in 6 months, 181.60% in a year. Governance update. Ministry of Railways and Companies members approve modification to Articles of Association. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, RVNL. Market cap, 38,176 crore rupees. Notable returns, 48.88% in 6 months, 160% in a year. Recent win, secured the lowest bid, L1, for a 543 crore rupees project involving the design and construction of 5 elevated metro rail stations and an elevated viaduct. Before you click away, if you enjoyed our market insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Happy investing!